Ready. Welcome to our Magic English class cooking studio. Today we are going to show you how to make perfect sandwiches. And the first master is going to be Vika. Hello, Victoria.
Hello.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
That's wonderful. What are we going to cook today?
Sandwich.
Okay, could you please tell us how to make a perfect sandwich?
White bread.
You have to take white bread.
You have to take the sausage.
So put the sausage on top of it. Then put
Then
some. What are you going to
some
put them? Cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
Is it enough? 3 of them. Is it enough?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So what else?
And put
Another sausage.
another sausage.
Uh-huh.
And put your salad.
Okay.
And put brown bread.
Brown bread. That's interesting recipe. So you have white bread and brown bread.
Yes.
That's it. How does it taste? How does it taste? Is it good?
Yes.
Try.
Yes.
Try. Okay, thank you. Okay, our studio is Sophia. Okay, Sophia, how old are you?
8.
You're 8. Okay, 8. So, Sophia, what are we going to cook?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Is it going to be a perfect sandwich?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's try. Let's start.
Then
Take.
take white bread.
Mhm.
Take sausage.
And we put the sausage on top of this white bread, right?
Cucumbers on the sausage.
Take cucumbers.
2 cheese.
Is it enough? 2 cheese? Maybe more?
Yes.
More? No? It's
Eat.
enough. 2 is enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Then put
Tomato.
tomato. Okay.
The
More cucumbers, right?
More
You can see it should be very delicious one, yeah. Yes. And cheese again. It's going to be a huge sandwich. What? Should we put it?
Salad.
Salad again, okay.
cheese.
Cheese again.
Double
Wow, it's like a double cheese, double cucumbers and salad.
It's very
It's like
sausage
Sausage again.
and white bread.
I think you have a very small mouth to eat it. Okay, let's try. Let's try. Good. Thank you very much. Okay, so next cook today is going to be Arina. Yes, Arina. Arina, what's your favorite food?
It's
What do you like best of all?
like
Like sandwiches. Oh, so today we're going to cook Arina's favorite food. It's sandwich and it's going to be a perfect sandwich. So let's start.
it's take
Brown bread. Yes.
brown bread, sausages.
We'll put sausage on top of it. Yes, and then we put some cucumbers.
Cucumbers.
Right. How many cucumbers do we need? How many slices? How many slices? Is it enough? 4 slices?
4.
Yes, 4 slices. Okay.
Sausages.
We'll put double sausage. Okay. So
Sausage.
and no more cucumbers.
Yes.
More cucumber. Okay. So more cucumbers.
Bread.
And brown bread again. I think it looks more like fitness sandwich. Do you like yoga?
No.
What sport do you do?
Like yoga and gymnastics.
And gymnastic. That's why this is a fitness sandwich. Okay, so try. We'll see. It's only bread. There's nothing in it. I think bread is good.
Bread
Thanks.
is very very. Dusa.
Dusa, yes, dus. What are you going to do with all this food on your plate?
Sandwich.
You're going to cook a sandwich.
Yes.
Is it sandwich? Is going to be sandwich for one person or for a whole family?
One person.
For one person? Are you sure?
Yes.
That this will fit into your little body and little mouth?
No little mouth.
Oh, you have a big mouth. Oh, no, so okay. Let's start. Let's cook.
Take white bread, put one sausage and one cheese. Put tomato and salad and cucumber.
Okay.
Put bread, put sausage,
Okay.
put cheese.
Please.
Yes.
It will fall down.
Put tomato, put salad and put cucumber.
I don't think it's for one person. I think you need your mom.
This one sandwich and this,
This is going to be another
yes.
one.
Put sausage, put cheese, put double cheese, put tomato, put cucumber, put cucumber, and this your sandwich. This two your sandwich.
So this is a sandwich for Is it for me?
No,
No? Oh, no, this is not for me. Okay, but you have
two
lot of-
sandwich.
Okay, two sandwiches. Are you going to eat this sandwich or that sandwich? This, and what about that?
And this it.
So you will eat it all.
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Try it. Good? It's delicious. How does it taste? How does it taste? Does it taste good? Okay, thanks for your attention. So welcome to our studio again. Our next chief is going to be Eva. Okay, Eve, what are you going to do now?
Sandwich.
Sandwich. Is it sandwich for your mom or for yourself?
For my mom.
For your mom. Okay, that's wonderful. Let's start. Tell us how to make the perfect sandwich.
White bread.
Take a white bread.
Take salad. Salad.
Salad, lettuce.
Salad.
Lettuce. It's a lot of lettuce.
Salad.
Yes.
Salad.
Lettuce, okay.
Sausage.
Don't put sausage. It's also like a fitness sandwich. It looks like a fitness sandwich.
Cheese.
How many slices of cheese do you need? Will you need 5 slices?
Да.
Okay, don't wipe your nose, please.
Да.
Yes, okay. Do you need another bread? And a little cucumber on top of it.
Out.
Yes.
Out.
The next chief in our studio is
Arena.
Okay, Arina. So, are you going to cook one sandwich or 2 sandwiches? Because
One.
you've got a lot of food.
One.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Take white bread. Take sausage. Take a cucumber. Take a sausage. Take a cucumber. Take a
It's like a Pisa tower.
Take
It's
a
going to fall.
cucumber. Take a
It will fall down.
tomato.
Okay.
Take a sausage. Take a brown bread. Take a tomato. Take a salad. Take a cheese.
I don't think that's a good idea. It will fall down. That's it?
Yes.
Now try it.
And
Go ahead.
take the tomato.
No. And it will fall down.
Take
I think it's enough.
yes.
It can't grow more. Yeah? So go ahead and try it in front of the camera. But do it. Okay. Well, maybe this is a perfect sandwich. We don't know. Everyone will decide which one to choose. Goodbye and see you soon. So, and welcome again to our studio. The best chief ever Elizabeth, yes, Elizabeth is going to cook us a perfect sandwich. So, Liz, shall we start? Yes, go ahead.
Take white bread, sausage,
Sausage, have to put some cucumbers in it, right? Brown bread. It's going to be a very tall sandwich. Cucumbers. Cucumbers, yes. Tomatoes.
This is my
Maybe you will take cucumbers. Oh no, Lisa. Huge sandwich. It's a huge sandwich. It will fall down. It will fall down. Okay, now let's try on the camera and try and have a look. How does it taste? How does it taste? Does it taste good? Yes. This is what we expected because it's a very tall one. Just a second. Okay. Maybe this is an extra one.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure? You want to try? Okay. Thanks for watching us and see you on our next cooking classes. Goodbye.
Let's walk.